It's not every day that Spaza shop owners get the opportunity to grow their business knowledge. But that's exactly what Grandpa, in partnership with the University of Pretoria and Gordon's Institute of Business Science, will be providing the students here with this morning, enabling them to create a sustainable business.
The Grandpa Spaza Academy offers a 3-month certificate course specifically designed to address the challenges faced by Spaza shop owners on a daily basis in managing their business.
We're going into our second year and we're making improvements. We've had a 75% increase in applications for this year, which means we can train 80 students this year. I think the word is getting out about the Spaza Academy and what it stands for. We've also asked our students from last year on what we can improve, because we want our students this year to have the best content and learning methodologies so that they can improve their business and ensure their success.
There are approximately 100,000 or more Spaza shops in South Africa, each providing an income for its owner and their family, so sustainability and growth is important.
Dave, you've been with GlaxoSmithKline now for over 15 years, but what inspired GSK and Grandpa to embark on this program?
Well, Grandpa is such a South African brand, 98 years in South Africa, and we're passionate about South Africa. We're passionate about moving the communities forward. And what other South African institution is there like a Spaza shop? So the link between a Spaza owner and the brand was just too good to be true. And we believe that the time has come to try bolster up the skills of these Spaza owners to make sure that the community continues to thrive and ultimately South Africa is successful.
These Spaza shop owners already have businesses that are up and running. How will this program affect their lives and that of their communities?
Well, knowledge is power. So a course like this, linking in with an institution like GIBS, gives these business owners the ability to make better decisions. Better decision-making will ultimately lead to a better business, better profits, which means they can ultimately expand the business, hire people, and again, add to the success not only of the community, but of South Africa in general.
So Grandpa is widely distributed throughout South Africa in many Spaza shops, and the Spaza shop owners have been supporting the brand for a number of years now. At GSK, we believe in putting our customer and our consumer first and supporting people that have really helped to grow our business. The Grandpa Spaza Shop Academy is our way of giving back to the Spaza shop owners who have made the Grandpa brand such a success to date.
The Grandpa Spaza Academy ticks all the boxes in helping Spaza shops grow from micro ventures into sustainable businesses.
Grandpa together with GIBS brings you the Grandpa Spaza Academy, being a part of your community for the last 98 years. Grandpa for fast, effective pain relief.